Alright folks, ever felt like manually partitioning a disk is a task from the dark ages? Well, welcome to Ansible, the modern solution. We automate everything, even the tedious disk partitioning process. Imagine running a playbook and bam, partitions appear like magic. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want storage management to be this easy? I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Picture this, you're lost in a sea of storage devices trying to find the one you need. That's where LUNs come in. Think of them as name tags for storage. It's like labeling your lunch in the office fridge so no one steals it. They keep things organized, and trust me, you don't want a messy storage setup. Before we dive in, let's talk prep. You wouldn't bake a cake without ingredients, right? The same goes for partitioning a LUN. Get Ansible installed, check your disk, and have everything set up. Otherwise, you'll be stuck wondering why your partitions are playing hide and seek. Modules are like cheat codes for Ansible. Install them, and suddenly complex tasks are simplified. It's like upgrading from manual labor to a robotic assistant. Just run Ansible Galaxy install, check compatibility, and voila, you're ready to roll. Meet the parted module, the lifesaver for disk partitioning. It takes away the headache of manual setups. You define your partitions, run the playbook, and suddenly you're the storage wizard. It even supports different file systems. Talk about versatility. Let's talk about formatting the partition. Think of it like choosing the best container for your leftovers. First, we pick the right file system based on our needs. Then we run the formatting commands. Don't worry, it's easier than making a cup of coffee. A quick check ensures it's done right. And finally, we consider performance and reliability. After all, no one wants a slow system. Mounting a partition is like plugging in a USB drive. It's useless if you don't tell the system where to put it. First, we create a mount point, a designated location for our data. Then we attach the partition using mount commands. A quick verification ensures everything's in place. And finally, we use fstab to make the mount stick even after reboot. No one likes surprises. Why do things manually when you can automate? Ansible helps us create partitions effortlessly. First, we write playbooks that define partition tasks. We make sure the automation is idempotent. It runs without unnecessary changes. Testing ensures it works as expected. With automation, system administration is less typing frenzy and more sit back with a coffee. Verification is crucial. It's like checking if the restaurant actually delivered your order. We use commands to inspect partition details, verify that mounts are working, and test read/write operations. Most importantly, we ensure data stays put after a reboot. Because nothing ruins a good day like missing files. Troubleshooting, every admin's least favorite but most necessary skill. We start with common issues like mount failures and permissions. Always double check them. File system corruption, we've got commands to fix that. Boot time errors can be tricky, but logs are our best friend here. With the right approach, even the scariest errors become solvable puzzles. Good partition management is like maintaining your car. You don't wait for it to break down. Regular monitoring keeps performance in check. Optimizing settings ensures efficiency. Security best practices keep intruders out. In backups, a lifesaver when disaster strikes. A little prevention saves a lot of headaches. We've covered everything from formatting to troubleshooting. Congratulations, you're now a partition pro. Remember to automate where possible, stay updated, and keep an eye on performance. And when things break, they will, just troubleshoot with confidence. System administration isn't magic. It's just a mix of knowledge and a bit of trial and error. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.